All right, I've had second call for the Loudon Classic. It's been declared a wet race. It's raining right now, but it looks like it's going to blow over. However, that track's definitely going to stay wet. This is definitely going to be a wet race. The 500 Superbike, it rained, the track got a little wet. It stopped raining, they declared it wet. Everybody went out on rain tires and pretty much smoked their rain tires. And my pit buddy right over there, Fletcher, took third local money, so he was third place for the local racers. And it's nice that Niemer does that for the local guys. All right, what's it gonna do? It's windy, it's rainy, it's ugly. Let's go racing. All right, I went back up to turn 6. Track is definitely wet. The rain has stopped for the moment, but who knows? But they're out on their sighting lap or warm-up lap right at the moment. And I would just about bet you everybody is on rain tires. Still got a couple of more coming. Joey Townsend. Shane Narbonne. Ty Scott. Looks like they're going to do a couple of laps, then they'll grid up and it'll be the start of the race. All right, we'll be back with the start. All right, they're gridded, revs are up, and we're off. The 103rd Loudon Classic. Looks like there's a lot of jockeying getting up toward the front. Going down the short chute into turn 3. Let's see who comes over the hill first. We got a fight going on up front. We got Eric Wood. Let's see what they are at the line for the first lap of the Loudon Classic. Coming out of 12 down the front straight. We got Eric Wood, Eli Block, Teague Hobbs, Tyler Scott, Brandon Posh. Correction. Eric Wood, Eli Block, Teague Hobbs, Dominic Doyle, Sam Martin, Brandon Posh. Your top 6. Not sure what happened to Ty Scott.
So we might get a little bit more rain.
Eli making the pass on the inside. So Eli Block took over the lead in turn 6. Eli's riding a Aprilia RS660 lightweight twin in the Classic. Not sure what's going on with Mr. Narbone. I don't know if Shane maybe has a mechanical. And we got a red flag.
Oh, yeah.
Red flag, red flag. Okay, we get the restart after the red flag. I'm not sure if they re-gridded, but it was Eli Block in the lead.
They'll come in the corner fighting for the dry patch.
And it's starting to rain again.
Oh, yeah.
And it's Eli Block out front. No, Teague Hobbs. That'll be Teague Hobbs that's got the lead on the restart. Looked like Eli was pushed back to 5th. Let's see how they shake out across the line. They're on the straightaway now. We've got looks like Benglotti in the lead. Robbie Nigel in 2nd, Teague Hobbs 3rd, Brandon Posh 4th, Tyler Scott in 5th. Looks like Eli's dropped back to 7th. Hopefully he can make his way back up. In the lead again. At the line we've got I'll show you what we got at the line. I don't know if the app's updating correctly or not. So I'm not sure what's up with the scoring app. It's not scoring correctly. That time through, it was T. Cobbs in the lead with Tyler Scott right behind him. It looked like Eli had moved back up into fourth. And Eli's racing a lightweight twins bike in the Classic. So he's way underpowered. Looks like Eli's up to third. At the halfway point, Eli Block is leading. We'll see how he does when he comes back up here to turn 6. Still showing in the lead with Ty Scott, 0.8 behind him. There he is. Top 3, we got Tyler Scott, Brandon Foss, Eli Block. Your top 3 are at another level. Here comes 4th, T. Cobbs, 5th, Benglard. Eric Wood right on him. Alright, they're on the last lap. Let's see how it pans out when they come by. So it's Tyler Scott, Brandon Posh, Eli Block, T. Cobbs, Eric Wood, Ben Glotty, Dominic Doyle, Joseph Lemandry. Those are your top 8.
I'm giving him, yeah, two and then point one, like, oh shit.
Junior was on fire.